When the guy who was on Joey's side almost reached her directly, Gert van Rooyen shot Joey in the head and she died. The policeman on Gert's side rushed to Gert's door. He tried to open it, but it was locked. He said that Gert looked him in the eye and he shot himself right in front of him. So that was in 1990. In 1996, not that nothing happened in those 6 years because they kept continuing to investigate, but in 1996, the bank who owned the house in Malherbe Street donated the house to the police to go through each and every millimeter of the place. They went through the roof. They vacuumed every single area in the house to see if there's nail clippings, hair, blood samples, anything. So from the roof to the carpets in the house. They excavated the whole yard. They had a swimming pool that was broken out.